Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily manage and remove Google Family Link child accounts. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Gmail application, then click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Go to Google account beside your name. Search for people and sharing. If you have not started a family Google link yet with your Gmail account, no worries. Simply click on Get Started, create a family group, and confirm. Allow the access to provide the link to the member you want to become a family with, and then provide the access of SMS. Send them link. As you can see, now the link has been sent. Now, after sending the link, if you have realized that you don't want to add child accounts in this family, what you can do is simply click on their email and click on cancel invitation. Choose the option of yes to confirm it and then you're good to go. So that's it. That is how easily you can manage or remove Google Family Link child accounts. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.